Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm here to tell you today about the all-new Geo Pro by Rockwood. The Rockwood Geo Pro lineup is all lightweight trailers, 3,200 pounds or less, okay? That is probably one of the hottest growing segments out there in the market. Reason being, all small V6 SUVs could tow this brand. So what really sets Rockwood apart from its competitors is the extreme quality it gives you, okay? When you think of other lightweight products out there on the market today, it's light on features and light on quality. Total opposite here with the Rockwood, it's absolutely loaded with features. Let's get started right up here in the front area. Big thing that sticks out to me that I know the other competitors aren't doing is an integrated A-frame, okay? So what that means is Rockwood actually paired up with Norco, a real chassis manufacturer, not a couple Amish people in a barn welding stuff together. They actually are a design team for chassis. They designed this specifically for the Geo Pro. So it's fully integrated into the chassis, welded on both sides, okay? Other brands are gonna stack their frames and quickly tack weld it. I like to call it the old stack and tack method. Not gonna have this. It's the smoothest, easiest tow you're gonna get with the next gen frame, right? Staying in this area here, it's really, really rare for a lightweight trailer to give you two 20-pound propane bottles, okay? The standard in this segment for everybody else is one, okay? Not only that, they're not including a propane cover, okay? So about $100 value, Rockwood's gonna give that in addition to it. Not only that, because they use a real frame manufacturer, you're actually set up to carry 2 batteries with a case. Once again, every other manufacturer is gonna set you up to have 1 battery and give you no case, okay? So in just this area here, you're probably gonna get about $400 in value right here alone, okay? Standing at the front of the coach, it looks slick, it's cool. It's a molded front cap, okay? A lot of other brands are gonna use a rolled fiberglass, which is very thin. It's not strong enough to take the wind and rain and everything up here, okay? This windshield is very exciting to me. Obviously, you just heard me say windshield, not window. It's actually a real windshield, okay? It's bonded into the front cap. It doesn't have a major exposed seal. You're gonna see how important that is when we get in the inside of the coach. It really brings outside in for you, okay? Not to mention, they also have the diamond shield here to keep the front of your trailer protected, any road debris, anything kicked up by your truck, okay? Down the whole coach, you're gonna see nice high gloss fiberglass sidewalls, okay? Rockwood does their construction a little bit different than anybody else. One of the big things is this is a 6-sided aluminum cage trailer, okay? What that means is you have aluminum framing on your sidewalls, your flooring, your roof, your front and rear cap, okay? So it kind of makes a superstructure. There's 2 ways to laminate a sidewall. You can vacuum bond it like Rockwood does, which puts it in a vacuum sealed machine for about 18 to 20 minutes to fully cure that sidewall to make it absolutely strong as possible. The competitors to the Rockwood are actually pinch rolling. We're gonna line up all their layers on a table and slide it through grandma's old washing machine real quick, just for a quick contact. It'll last a little while, but not as long as the vacuum bonding. That's a really, really big deal, okay? Another big thing, and it's kind of a pet peeve for me, is those cheap plastic clips you see in a lot of trailers, okay? You gotta wrestle with them, they snap off, they break. Don't have to deal with that with the Geo Pro. You're gonna get all magnetic clips here for you. Nice and strong, gonna last a very long time. Big thing as well with the Rockwood Geo Pro is frameless windows are standard, okay? Like I said before, other smaller, lightweight trailers take features out. Geo Pro keeps giving and giving them to you, okay? Nice frameless windows, no exposed seal to chalk and streak down your nice sidewall. They're actually recessed into the body of the coach as well, so you're immediately gonna double your insulation, which is a really, really big deal, okay? My favorite part of a frameless window, not just outside of how sleek they look, they're jalousie windows. So you can leave them open. If it's raining, you don't have to hustle back to your campground. If you think you left one cracked open, go ahead, let it rain. It's all right. Right here on the side of the coach, you have solar on the side where you could add additional solar panels to power up your coach. In addition to that, you'll see on the rooftop, standard 100-watt solar panel, right? In addition to that, you have a 1,000-watt inverter, okay? Most motor coaches out there don't have a 1,000-watt inverter, okay? You're getting it on a 20-foot Geo Pro, okay? So with the 2 batteries, the 100-watt solar panel and the 1,000-watt inverter, you could run everything in your coach except your AC and your microwave. You'll run your fridge, run all your lights, be able to use your trailer kind of off the grid. That's a really, really big deal. Stepping down the side of the coach here, Rockwood gives you a ton in the Geo Pro to be able to go out and use it, okay? Look how big this awning is, all right? All their floor plans have 11 to 13-foot awnings. I've been around some mini trailers before. They're giving you 6 or 8-foot awnings, okay? That means if you're out camping with a couple of people, you get to take turns who gets to shade and who gets to sit out in the sun. It's not fair. Rockwood gives it all to you, okay? Also getting nice outside speakers. Also standard outside grill, okay? Also, all your TV hookups are right here. If you wanted to add a outside TV and place it right there with a bracket. Geo Pro does stuff that nobody else is doing on the market, okay? They're using Dexter torsion flex axles. It's a really, really big deal. Dexter is the premier axle builder in the RV and trailering industry, okay? They're the strongest out there. The elite brand they carry is the torsion flex. What that is, it's all isolated rubber on the inside of the axle, okay? Totally eliminates metal to metal contact, makes it super smooth, easy going down the road. Also, you don't have to deal with the eyesore of leaf springs eventually rusting, okay? Not only that, a major benefit to the torsion flex axle, which no other brand has, is it gives you independent suspension. Other brands with a straight axle, you're gonna be swinging and throwing all your stuff inside around. Don't have to worry about that with the Geo Pro. Also, nice aluminum rims with nitro-filled tires. Nice smooth ride, they'll run cooler and more consistent. That's a really, really big deal, okay? This is a huge feature here just at the entry door area for the Geo Pro. One, keyless entry, okay? Half the motorhomes out there, once again, don't have keyless entry. You're getting this in a Geo Pro, okay? Next big thing that I like is the MORryde steps, okay? It's not hanging down and flimsy, this and that. They're solid, okay? They're nice and sturdy. They're adjustable to make sure you have that ground base going up and down the coach. Also includes an oversized grab handle. Really big deal for safety coming in and out of the coach if you have some people camping with you as well. Super exciting features back here as well. One, ladder is standard, okay? Big deal. Because you're given that aluminum truss roof, it's super strong. You're able to get up there and maintain your coach, take it to races, get out there and camp as well, okay? Big feature right here, call it black tank flush, okay? A lot of people are buying their first RV, don't really understand that there is some type of a dirty side to camping, is emptying your tanks, okay? This makes it a dream, all right? So what the Geo Pro has inside their black tank, it's actually built-in sprayers, okay? So all you do is hook up your garden hose to this port right here, and it completely cleans out your tank, okay? If you didn't have that, you'd actually have to lug your hose through the coach, use a little wand and clean out your tanks. Don't have to worry about that. Nice and clean and sanitary having black tank flush, okay? Talking about clean and sanitary too, we're also gonna get an outside shower with the Geo Pro, okay? Sort of special, especially in this mini trailer market. Like I've mentioned, a lot of other brands take a lot out and don't give you a lot. You have hot and cold water here, okay? Most coaches gonna be cold water only, okay? Not to mention this coach in particular has a gas and electric water heater. It's a 6-gallon quick recovery, okay? That means you get 18 gallons per hour of hot water, okay? Absolutely unheard of in a mini trailer setting, okay? Most mini trailers are 6-gallon gas only, okay? And you'll be lucky to get those 6 gallons out of it. So maximum capacity of use in hot water here with the Rockwood Geo Pro, okay? In addition to that too, you're gonna see all LED lightings in the rear of the coach, make it nice and bright and clear going down the road. You'll see a nice bracket right there too. Geo Pro does a lot of the work for you already. They already pre-wired and installed a bracket for a backup or observation camera, okay? Other brands are like, nah, good luck customers. You figure that on your own after the fact. Geo Pro is not gonna do that too. It's gonna include it. Swinging around this way, now on the off-door side of the trailer, just wanna touch base as far as their slides, okay? Once again, Geo Pro's using the highest quality construction for their trailers, right? They're actually vacuum bonding their inner sidewalls of their slides, okay? That is the #1 area that other brands are gonna give you cheaper materials because you won't realize it till you bought it, okay? They're gonna use plastic veneers, cheap materials that aren't gonna stand up from being outside and just decay and fall apart. You're fully vacuum bonded, ready to go here with the Geo Pro. Nice storage back here as well. Once again, magnetic catches here. No more wrestling with those plastic clips. Here's that gas electric water heater I mentioned before. Once again, it's a quick recovery, gonna get 18 gallons per hour, okay? Any other brand, way, way less. You're gonna have to be taking turns, drawing straws to take showers. Don't have to worry about that with the Geo Pro. So on the front of the coach, you can see the other side of the full pass-through storage, okay? That's really, really important. You're gonna be able to throw your fishing poles, all your gears, tons of cargo up there, okay? While we're up here too, take a look at the jacks, okay? On the Geo Pro, it comes with 4 stabilizing jacks, okay? Other brands, they're gonna cut a corner once again on short trailers. They're only gonna give you 2 for the back because they figure, hey, that tongue jack will keep you steady. Geo Pro says, no, we're gonna hit every corner, make sure you're nice and stable and easy to use. Welcome to the inside of the Geo Pro. First thing that sticks out to me is how light and bright this is, okay? Super modern interior, really goes together. You're seeing how that front windshield we talked about earlier lets that outside in. Really enjoy to be inside here. Another thing that sticks out to me is the crown ceilings, okay? I don't feel like I'm in a small trailer. Really opens up the place. So really, really big deal there. Geo Pro does an exceptional job with storage, especially being in a mini trailer. You're getting storage everywhere you look in this coach, okay? Big overhead cabinets there, over the bed, under the bed, under both dinette chairs. Everywhere you could find storage, Rockwood's gonna give it to you. This kitchen area is absolutely exceptional, okay? You're getting a ton in this area, okay? Geo Pro is super smart in how they designed it. One, giving you a stainless steel sink, okay? In a mini trailer or lightweight trailer, you're 100% gonna get a plastic cheap sink that you can't even put your hand in, okay? It's a nice deep sink, stainless steel. If you're making spaghetti or chili or something like that, you're not gonna have an orange sink when you're done, which is pretty important. Not only that, you're gonna get a 3-burner stovetop opposed to a 2, which everybody else in this price point and size category is gonna give you, okay? Rockwood takes that a step further and they actually recess it into their countertops and gave you a flush mount cover, okay? You just went from having this much counter space to this much counter space, okay? No other brand thinks that way. That's really, really important. Also, little power tower here for you, for any appliances, charging your phone, that kind of stuff. Nice microwave here and a little milk top opener here. So the Geo Pro bathroom area is super special, okay? For a few reasons. One, your sink is actually in the bathroom, okay? The common place for your sink in a mini trailer is outside of the bathroom, okay? So you come in here, do your business, you're gonna come out like a surgeon looking for a sink. It's not gonna be fun. Everybody's gonna know what you did. So get some more privacy, get your sink in your bathroom. Really good counter space here. I've actually incorporated a sink and medicine cabinet, okay? Other brands just aren't gonna give you that. So the Rockwood Geo Pro actually features a brand new product called the AquaView Shower Miser. This is a typical feature you see in a luxury diesel you're going to get in a mini trailer, okay? How it works is pretty exciting. You'll see this extra tube here, right? It's blue now. That means it's cold, okay? So what you do when it's time to take a shower and you don't have to waste water while the water heats up, you turn it on, water's going to cycle through here. When it turns white, that means you have available hot water. Then you turn your shower head on and it'll come out. It's going to cut down on wasted clean water you're using and also cut down on how much you're putting into your gray tanks, okay? So it saves a lot of time, money, and effort in dumping your tanks down the road. So super great feature. Also getting a skylight to bring that outside in as well, and a nice storage caddy. So Rockwood just goes above and beyond and does some stuff that nobody's going to think about. Same thing here, linen closet. What mini trailer do you know gives you that much storage for a linen closet? Okay, absolutely unheard of. Super exciting to have that in the Rockwood Geo Pro. Thanks for joining me today to review the all-new Rockwood Geo Pro. Probably one of the highest quality mini trailers on the market right now with the most amount of features. Please visit us at one of our stores or online at rv1.com. Have a great day.